Today we will discuss Linkit. Linkit is a task management tool that we use to work more effectively. After login, and depending on your role, you will see the different boards. A board is the platform on which all your tasks are arranged. When we click on a board, the basic structure will consist of lanes, which are the columns with the different titles. For example, this is the welcome lane. If we move to the left, we can see the archive lane. This is where we archive the finished tasks. In Linkit, tasks are synonym to cards. When we click a card, we can see a basic structure. Let's go over it. On the top, you can see the title, and you can see it also there. Under the title, you can see the description, which is basically comments that we can write to remind us anything that we want to remember. For example, we can put any kind of a comment in it. Next, we can see the assigned user. And basically, the person that is in charge of the task. Under it, the dates that the task need to be completed. The header, which we can see here. The priority, which we can change, and you can see it here on the card. And the icons, which tells us the status on the card. So it can be anything to do with the payment or the documents, and it appears also on the left side of the card. And we have the lane, which lane the card is in. If we look to the left, we can see a menu. If you click on comments, you can see a discussion platform where different members of the team can write to each other. Once you finished writing your comments, you can click post, and your comment will be posted. Next, we can attach files to the card. And finally, we can see the history of the card, meaning that every action with it can be tracked to the user that did it. Once you update a card, make sure to save it. If you need to delete it, simply click here and delete. Now let's look at the menu on the top right. We can add a card by simply clicking the Add Card symbol. You can write the name of the card here and edit any information on the card. Once you finish, save. If you want to see where the card is, you just scroll down on the first lane, and here it is. Next, you can go to Filter. This is a very important tool for the user because he can filter the cards according to what he's looking for. Press Show Only and then choose what kind of filters you want to see. A filter could be the username, the date that the task is being finished, and other filters that are available there. I suggest that you play a bit with this tool. It is very important and will make your life much easier. Finally, if you want to move your card to a different board, simply right-click it and move to a different board. Here you can move it to the survey.